G'day, just a quick show of the garden, tractor tyre, squash and zucchini, more squash over the back and spaghetti squash, yummo, and cherry tomatoes, silver beet, tiger, zebra, mortgage lifter, red Russian, big Romas, genuine. It's all mixed tomato bed. The midnight snacks. Mizuna lettuce. Of course, marigolds. Carrots. More whopper tomatoes there. Granny throwing tomato. And more cherry tomato, crazy berries. Tromboncino zucchini. Nearly reaching that over. And that's those there. And that's only a baby, they grow to a metre. Tiger, black cream, radishes. 6 tomatoes over the back. Capsicum, purple king beans. Big brandy tomato. More radishes. Long yellow bullhorn. Strawberry tower. Tomatoes from seed. Mystery. More flower tower. This is Anise Noir. Huge. Roma. And capsicums. And chilies. Bulgarian carrot. More spaghetti squash, watermelon, rhubarb, and others. Zucchini. Thanks for watching.